New traders, pay attention to this video. It will show you your future, and if you watch until the end, I will give you this exact strategy for free, which has over 80% winning rate, amazing results, and also using a good broker will increase your wins and profits. So make sure you open your account using the link below. Because of the forex market, young traders are changing their lives completely, from being hungry, dead broke, poor, to being multimillionaires, driving their dream cars each and every day. If you know this young trader, like this video. That is why today I want to give you this powerful trading strategy so that you can actually start your journey of being a profitable trader. For your first moving average, period must be 5, method exponential, apply to close, and color green. Then for your second moving average, period must be 10, method exponential, apply to close, and color blue. For the RSI, period must be 14, apply to close, color blue. For the stochastic oscillator, K period must be 5, D period must be 3, slowing must be 3, method exponential, and these other levels, you must leave them as they are. For the most important indicator, MACD, fast EMA must be 12, slow EMA must be 26, MACD SMA must be 9, apply to close, and these other levels, you must leave them as they are. When you are done, your chart must be looking beautiful and simple like this, and it's now time for you to actually find good trades, buy trades, and sell trades. When you're looking to enter a buy trade, you must have your 5 moving average above your 10 moving average, pointing up nicely like this. Then when you look at your stochastic, you must see the market going into the oversold zone and then coming up, pointing up nicely like this, which is the 20 level. At the same time, you must also make sure you have a green candle, enter a buy trade, and target for the market to go up. But before you actually enter, you must look at the RSI, MACD. They will actually improve the accuracy from 40% up to 90% very quick. Now look what we have right there. We have the 5 moving average and the 10 moving average nicely pointing to the top like this. Then if you now go to the stochastic down there, you can see it going below the 20 level and now coming up to point to the top. Looking exactly at this, you can actually see you have an opportunity to actually enter a buy trade and make money when the market is going up. But before you actually enter a trade, you have to actually confirm from the RSI, is the RSI above the 50 level to actually signify that this actual trend is strong and can actually give you massive profits when the market starts to go into your direction. At the same time, you must go to the MACD, then you must see these bars going from the negative side and start to form to the top. This means your exact entry will come exactly right here and actually target for the market to go up. And now let's find out what happened afterwards. Did the market actually go up? You can actually see from this ESO entry, the market moved up very beautiful, which means if you have a small account making $20, $30 is very possible using this exact strategy. To make money in the buy trade, this is not all that you only rely on. If you watch this video until the end, I am going to give you a bonus tip that you can actually change this strategy from 80% accuracy up to 99.9%, which means losing $1 using this strategy will actually be impossible. Also looking right there, you can actually see another opportunity right there where you actually have the 5 moving average on top of the 10 moving average, and also the RSI is above the 50 level. Now looking at the stochastic, you can actually see going below the 20 level and now coming up to point to the top. Our last confirmation, MACD, you can actually see is above the 0 line, which means this is actually a good trade that you can actually enter and target for the market to go up. And if you're entering from down here, exiting at the top there, this is over 100 pips that you're actually getting from this actual strategy. I can guarantee you, if you continue having this type of opportunities each and every day, having over 100 pips each and every day, making $40, $50 from a small account would definitely be possible, especially if you're using a good broker, Xness. Make sure you open your account using the link below so that you can actually take advantage of this actual strategy, make money when the market is going up. And you can also make money when the market is going down. Let me show you how right now. Now if you want to make money when the market is going down, you must have your 5 moving average below your 10 moving average. Now if you look at your stochastic, you must see the market going above the 80 level, which is the overbought zone, and turning to point down. Just before you enter, you must have a red candle nicely pointing down, enter the trade and make money. Now let's look what you have right there. You can actually see we have the 5 moving average below the 10 moving average, nicely pointing down like this. If you now go to the stochastic oscillator, you can actually see going above the 80 level and now it's pointing down. But before you actually go and enter the trade, you must look at the RSI. This RSI must be below the 50 level to actually show that the market really wants to go down. And also on the MACD, you must see the bus of the MACD going from the positive side to go to the negative side. As soon as you have that exactly right there, enter your sell trade and target for the market to go down. Now look what happened there. The market gives you accurate trades that actually go straight into your direction without any drawdown whatsoever. But if you want to go from 40% accuracy into 99% accuracy and hardly losing any dollar in the forex market, you must actually use a higher time frame. In this actual strategy, you can use the 4-hour time frame as your higher time frame, and then your entries you use the 15-minute time frame, which means on the 4-hour time frame for a buy trade, you want to see the 5 moving average above the 10 moving average. When you actually have that, you now know you are only entering buy trades on the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you something on this small portion, what happens when you combine the 4-hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. You remember that trade that I showed you, that if you enter exactly right there and go and exit at the top, it will easily give you 100 pips each and every day. This is because you're combining the 4-hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame, and your trades will definitely go into your direction, give you more profits, and most importantly, your accuracy will actually increase from 40% up to 99% because of this only one thing. Then for you to make big profits in a sell trade, you must also have the 4-hour time frame, the 5 moving average below the 10 moving average, nicely pointing down like this, which means when you go to the 15-minute time frame, you are only looking to enter sell trades and use what I've just shared with you about the moving average, stochastic oscillator, RSI, and the MACD. If you understood how to make money with this exact strategy, like this video. But if you're still confused, watch this video again and again, and I can guarantee you, after mastering this exact strategy, your results will be amazing. So if you really want to change your future with this exact strategy, click the last link in this video description, which will actually take you to the Mobile Forex Telegram group, where I'm going to give you the strategy PDF for this strategy so that you can actually go and master it, make money with it, and actually change your future and become the next millionaire forex trader. This is Mobile Forex. Bye for now.